CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. It is a life-saving technique used when someone's heart stops beating. CPR helps to restore blood flow and oxygen to the brain and other vital organs. Knowing CPR empowers you to make a difference in a life or death situation. CPR is essential because every second counts when someone's heart stops. The brain and other organs need a constant supply of oxygen to survive. Without CPR, brain damage can occur within minutes. By performing CPR, you can buy precious time until medical professionals arrive. Learning CPR is easier than you might think. There are many resources available, including classes and online tutorials. With a little effort, you can gain the knowledge and skills to potentially save a life. Remember, CPR is a skill for everyone, not just medical professionals. CPR can double or even triple a person's chances of survival in the event of cardiac arrest. When performed correctly and immediately, CPR helps to circulate oxygenated blood to the brain and other vital organs. This can prevent irreversible brain damage and increase the likelihood of a positive outcome. The accessibility of CPR is crucial. Anyone can learn CPR regardless of age or physical ability. Bystanders who are trained in CPR can provide immediate assistance while waiting for emergency medical services to arrive. This immediate action is often the difference between life and death. CPR empowers individuals to become active bystanders and potential lifesavers. Knowing CPR instills confidence and preparedness to act in emergencies. It transforms individuals from passive observers into proactive responders who can make a real difference. By learning CPR, you become a vital link in the chain of survival. Before initiating CPR, assess the situation. Check for responsiveness by gently shaking the person and shouting, "Are you okay?" If there is no response, call 911 or your local emergency number immediately. If you are alone, shout for help before starting CPR. Chest compressions are the cornerstone of CPR.
Place the heel of one hand on the center of the person's chest, between the nipples. Interlock your fingers with your other hand and keep your arms straight. Push down hard and fast, compressing the chest at least 2 inches deep at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Rescue breaths are also crucial for providing oxygen. After every 30 chest compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Tilt the person's head back gently by lifting their chin. Pinch their nose shut and seal your mouth over theirs. Give 2 breaths, each lasting about 1 second, watching for their chest to rise. Continue cycles of 30 compressions and 2 breaths until help arrives.
While this guide provides basic information, it is crucial to receive proper CPR training from a certified instructor. Hands-on practice with mannequins allows you to develop the necessary skills and confidence to perform CPR effectively in a real-life situation.
CPR certification courses are widely available through organizations like the American Heart Association and the American Red Cross. These courses provide comprehensive instruction on CPR techniques, including chest compressions, rescue breaths, and the use of an AED, automated external defibrillator. Investing in CPR training is an investment in your own safety and the well-being of those around you. CPR certification equips you with the knowledge and skills to respond effectively in emergencies, potentially saving lives. Regular refresher courses help to maintain your skills and ensure you are always prepared.
Section 5. Real-world heroes, stories of CPR saving lives. Countless stories highlight the real-world impact of CPR. From bystanders saving strangers in public places to family members rescuing loved ones at home, CPR has proven to be a true lifesaver time and again. These stories serve as powerful reminders of the importance of learning this vital skill.
One such story involves a teenager who collapsed during a basketball game. A bystander who had recently taken a CPR course immediately rushed to his aid, performing CPR until paramedics arrived. The quick thinking and actions of this individual saved the young athlete's life.
In another instance, a woman performed CPR on her husband after he went into sudden cardiac arrest. Her knowledge of CPR and her determination to keep him alive until help arrived were instrumental in his survival. These stories demonstrate that CPR is not just a medical procedure, but a powerful act of human compassion and resilience. Section 6. Debunking CPR myths. Separating fact from fiction. There are many myths surrounding CPR that can prevent people from taking action. One common misconception is that CPR is only effective if performed by medical professionals. In reality, anyone can learn and perform CPR effectively. Another myth is that CPR always results in broken ribs. While rib fractures are a possibility during CPR, they are not as common as people think. The priority is to save a life, and the benefits of CPR far outweigh the risks. It's also important to remember that CPR does not always result in a miraculous recovery. However, it does significantly increase the chances of survival and can buy precious time for emergency medical services to arrive. By debunking these myths, we can empower more people to act confidently in emergencies. CPR for everyone. Adapting to different situations. CPR techniques may vary slightly depending on the age and size of the person in need.
For infants and children, the depth and force of chest compressions are adjusted to accommodate their smaller bodies. It's essential to receive training on CPR for different age groups to provide appropriate care.
CPR can also be adapted for individuals with special needs or disabilities. For example, modifications may be necessary for people with spinal cord injuries or those who use mobility devices. Specialized training can provide guidance on adapting CPR techniques to meet individual needs.
Furthermore, CPR can be performed in various settings, including homes, workplaces, and public spaces. Familiarizing yourself with the location of AEDs in your community and workplace can enhance your preparedness in emergencies.
Remember, CPR is a versatile skill that can be adapted to different situations and populations. The lasting impact, beyond the immediate save. The impact of CPR extends far beyond the immediate save. Survivors of cardiac arrest may experience a range of physical, cognitive, and emotional challenges during their recovery. The support of family, friends, and healthcare professionals is crucial in navigating these challenges. CPR can also have a profound impact on the rescuer. Knowing that you played a role in saving someone's life can be an incredibly empowering and rewarding experience. However, it's also essential to acknowledge and address any emotional or psychological effects that may arise after performing CPR. The ripple effects of CPR are felt throughout communities. When more people are trained in CPR, it creates a safer environment for everyone. Bystanders become empowered to act, and lives are saved. The lasting impact of CPR is a testament to the power of human connection and the importance of being prepared to help those in need. Be prepared. Essential items for your CPR kit. Having a well-stocked CPR kit can be invaluable in an emergency. While CPR can be performed without any equipment, certain items can enhance safety and effectiveness. Consider assembling a CPR kit that includes the following essentials. A CPR mask or face shield provides a barrier between the rescuer and the victim, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. Disposable gloves are also crucial for maintaining hygiene and preventing the spread of germs. Additionally, your CPR kit should include a small towel to wipe away any vomit or fluids, a pair of scissors for cutting clothing if necessary, and a small flashlight for providing illumination in low-light conditions. Store your CPR kit in a readily accessible location, such as your car or home, and ensure that everyone in your household knows where it is kept. Your call to action: become a lifesaver today. Learning CPR is a simple yet profound act that has the power to save lives. It equips you with the knowledge and skills to make a difference in a life or death situation. Whether you are a concerned citizen, a loving family member, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for the unexpected, taking a CPR training course is an investment you will never regret. CPR certification courses are widely available and accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. Contact your local American Heart Association or American Red Cross chapter to find a course near you. Online resources and training videos are also readily available for those seeking a flexible learning option. Embrace the opportunity to become a lifesaver today. By learning CPR, you join a community of empowered individuals who are committed to creating a safer world. Remember, CPR is not just a skill, it's a gift of life. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips and information. Thanks for watching.